Hello students, how are you? This is Piali Mukherjee from TGIS Raipur. Class 10th students, just recall your class 9th experiment work. What you observed then when magnesium ribbon burns or when lead nitrate added with potassium iodide or zinc granules added in dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid. Yes, either white compound is formed or gases is evolved or color change. There are different chemical reactions proceed there. That means in our surroundings there are different chemical reactions or different chemical processes done in different reactions. So the chemical reactions are not in one type, they are different types. Same way, always we cannot write all the elements in full form for showing the chemical reaction. So here we use one equation or symbolic process. So in this chapter we learned about chemical reactions and different types of chemical reactions and equations, chemical equations and balancing the chemical equation. This is your first chapter in chemistry. Okay. So first, what is chemical equation? Chemical equation is the symbolic presentation of any chemical reactions. It has two types or two parts are there. First we talk about the parts, then we talk about the types. Two parts are there. One is reactant parts, other is product parts. In reactant parts, the substances which used to continue the process or to complete the process is written, and in right hand side we write product, that means the yielding or the things which obtained after the chemical reactions. So chemical equation is symbolic representation of the chemical reaction. Okay, here you can see one chemical equation I have written here. Can you see it? Magnesium, oxygen forms magnesium oxide. So this is also written in symbolic form. Mg plus O2 MgO. Okay, Mg plus O2. Mg symbol of magnesium, O2 symbol of oxygen molecule, and MgO the product which is obtained. Now equation must be balanced. That means what? During the chemical reactions, the number of atoms participated of each reactants are equal to number of atoms present in the products. So balancing of chemical reaction is necessary for showing the chemical equation. Also in chemical equation we can represent the physical state. That means magnesium solid, you can write S in the below of the chemical reaction. Then O2 is in the gaseous state, so write small g, and MgO again form in solid form, so you can write MgO, then after S in the subscript manner for the solid showing the physical state solid of the MgO. This is chemical equation and balancing the chemical equation. There are different types of balancing the chemical equation. One is heat and trial method. We will explain it. I'll explain it later for yourself. Now, chemical types of chemical equations. There are different types of chemical equation. One is called combination. For example, the same here, Mg plus O2. Two atoms of different elements when combine and form the new compound, that is called combination chemical reaction, or it is also addition chemical reaction. Second is just opposite. Suppose one compound divides into two or more chemical equation or compounds, then this is called decomposition chemical reaction. For example, calcium carbonate after heating converts into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is thermal chemical reaction because heat is used here. Another type of decomposition reaction is electrolysis or electrochemical decomposition reaction, in which through the electric use or electric charge, when any compound dissociates into their components, like water through electrolysis converts into hydrogen and oxygen. Then third is displacement reaction. When one atom of any elements displace any other atom from the compound and the new product is formed, that is called displacement reaction. It is of two types, single displacement reaction or double displacement reaction. Then if oxygen is added, that is called oxidation reaction. If any chemical reaction hydrogen is added, that is called reduction reaction. So another type of chemical reaction is oxidation and reduction. Simultaneously this reaction proceeds, that is therefore this is called reduction reaction or redox reaction. Another type of chemical reaction in which heat is evolved is called exothermic chemical reaction, or when heat is used during the chemical reaction, or you can say that heat of reactant is less than the heat of product, then this is called endothermic chemical reactions. So there are different types of chemical reactions are there. This is in your first chapter. Read from your book, and if any doubt you can personally ask me. Okay, thank you.